you remember a fair while ago I won 2 Electrolux 504 upright cleaners from eBay for 99p? Well, this is one of them done. It's the only one that I'm going to do. Explain more later. But wow, it came up pretty much like new, like actual new. Let's have a closer look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? If you had corners like that when you were cracking on 50 years old, you'd be happy with life. If your forehead looked like that, you would say you were doing well. And that is what I would say to this Electrolux. Even the mains cable came up pure, brilliant white. Again, yes, this is the better machine of the 2 that we got. I did look at them very carefully, very closely. This was the better one, but with the worst motor. If you remember, I've kept the motor in this. And it's just an Electrolux 504, really. The pretty basic model with the bag full whistle, which... ooh, I don't know if we'll be able to reproduce, really. Probably won't. You'll hear it on the internet. An on-off switch. And a min-max, which doesn't work very well. It's an awful thing. And I've seen a lot of them sealed up. Slider. Inside we have a SIBO bag. And 2 filters nestled deep down into the dark. Because my lighting doesn't seem to go into stuff. So yes, very, very standard. Obviously the hood has come up very, very well. It goes so glossy. This plastic is very nice to polish on this age of Electrolux. And underneath we have the usual, except I have fitted a brand new, although pattern, set of brushes. The other side has the beta bars. The only real pain in the bum is this, and this was like this on both of them, don't forget. I daren't even show you too much, like it snapped. And that's the repair. And again, I did think about just gluing it, but now there's a hole there, a hole there, and a hole there. And it's just going to be just as rubbish if I try any other way to go about it. So yeah, I say that's done as it is going to be. Probably not been that clean. All running that nicely since it came out of the box. That's that same horrible sounding motor with its fan case bearing oiled and its top bearing repacked with grease. It's about all I can really show you on it, because obviously it's only got one setting, which is on or off. We'll get rid of the deep pile, and I may as well show you how it runs on the rug, because it will sound different on here. Also put it in the low pile setting. nice track marks coming from this. And yeah, there we pretty much go. My Electrolux 504. I might keep it for a little while. Try and do a video or two out of it. I do have a plan actually. So we'll see this again somewhere, sometime. Yeah, it's been a while since I've had such a clean twin turbo. I mean, I like them. I don't aspire to want to collect them. But I do feel as a collector that a good twin turbo should never be too far, because they are really, really good. And in fact, if you want a cheap, just, a cheap Hoover, these are a tenner everywhere. And if you change the belt, give the brush roll bearing just a drop of oil, fit a very cheap SIBO bag and put the filters through the washing machine, all of a sudden it'll become a lot less of a crap cleaner and much more of a fantastic one, though it is rubbish for hard floor, I will say that. So there we go, really. The after video of my very shiny, very yellow 504. And just to demonstrate how much cleaner it is, I have the other one here still, because I'm not going to refurbish this one because it's just a bit more battered. There's a big dent in the front, the corners are more chewed, the bumper is scrap, but it's already donated its motor, it's already donated its handle, it's getting broken up for spares. Now that I'm filming this, I can get it sent off. In fact, I sort of wish I hadn't shot the cable off, because I got rid of the cable, so I didn't have to wind it up. And I forgot I hadn't filmed the after video. We could have heard what that one sounded like. But that one always did have the good motor, so that one wouldn't have been too bad. It was this one that had the screamer. And yeah, they are together for the last time once more. So there we go, folks. 99p. I have a beautiful example of a 504 and a machine that's currently netting me about 40 quid. Cannot say fairer than that. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and myself and this Electrolux 504 will see you soon. Bye bye.